This woman managed to remove wrinkles within hours alone with this elixir of youth. For many years there has been talk about an elixir that gives eternal youth. We have often been able to observe in movies, and even many have been given the task of searching. Today there are plastic surgery, Botox and other things of science to try to see us old, but this time with reverses. They believe it or not, there is an elixir of eternal youth, which helps prevent premature aging, which will achieve an advanced age till us very young. In this post we will reveal which are the ingredients of this elixir, their method of preparation and how should take. Attention women. This woman managed to remove their warts within hours, with this wonderful elixir that says change your life to rejuvenate the face and body. We need only cosmetic treatments. There are other natural possibilities which help to maintain or renewed without resorting to chemicals or synthetics organism. This elixir of youth with flaxseed is ideal if you want to fight the annoying signs of aging and prevent the attack of free radicals. Benefits. 1. This elixir of youth with flaxseed is rich in healthy omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9. 2. Few foods are as complete as flaxseed. 3. It is also a food rich in antioxidants called lignans which, combined with lemon, are extremely beneficial for liver health. 4. A healthy liver is a guarantee of a young body. 5. This preparation provides a lot of vitamin C, another antioxidant very necessary to strengthen the immune system, promote the health of blood vessels and prevent many diseases. 6. Garlic is a great purifier that helps filter the blood and remove toxins accumulated over the years. 7. Consumes a considerable portion of fruits, vegetables, watch your skin and makes some exercise to keep your body forever young. 8. Furthermore, this elixir of youth with flaxseed help combat the signs of aging and oxidation caused by free radicals. To prepare this elixir of youth with flaxseed, you will need ingredients: 100 ml of pure linseed oil, 2 medium lemons, 1 large garlic clove, 500 grams of pure honey, organic. Preparation. If you want to take advantage of the properties of this elixir of youth with flaxseed, you should start by peeling the garlic clove and one of the lemons. Pour into a blender garlic and 2 lemons, yes, one of them will be processed with the peel. Add honey and flaxseed oil. Mix until all ingredients are blended and form a homogeneous preparation. Preserved in a glass container with a tight lid, in the refrigerator. Consume 1 tablespoon 3 times a day every day. The best option is to half an hour before each important meal of the day, breakfast, lunch and dinner.